Welcome to Tips by Tommy. Today we're going to do an inside corner of our drywall. In this example, we've already put the tape down, embedded it down like we would a regular seam. And I also went and I put an outside coat over the outside edge on both sides. Now we're going to do the inside coat in the middle. You can see it's kind of beige in here. That's the tape. It doesn't have any mud on it. So now we're going to just put a bead down the middle.
A what down the middle?
Just a bead of mud.
Bead of mud, okay.
Down the middle. Then we're going to smooth it out with this corner drywall tool. A stainless steel corner drywall tool.
Awesome. So you got your drywall ready to go.
Yeah. The first thing I'm going to do is just kind of run this knife in here. There's some little high spots. I'm just going to kind of knock those down.
High spots of drywall mud?
Of the mud.
Okay.
Because that'll keep the tool from gliding very well. So we just want to kind of just knock those down a little bit. Even a little small ridge will keep it from gliding.
It will prevent the tool from gliding down the seam?
Right.
Okay.
We want to get a real good even corner. So that's all we do. And then now we'll just take our knife and just put some little beads down there.
I'll have to wait till you get down a little bit. I'm a little short, so I can't quite get this as good.
Just put a little bead on both sides.
Oh, cool.
With our happy knife here.
With your happy knife?
Yeah, we're making a little happy bead of mud.
What do you call a happy?
Like I'm Bob Ross.
Oh, you're Bob Ross, okay.
So making some little happy beads here.
You're the Bob Ross of drywall.
I guess.
And you do this to the entire seam at once, or just in little? Do you work in little sections?
It doesn't really matter. For our purposes here, I'm going to do just this one little spot.
Okay.
Because the other top part I'm going to have to get with the ladder.
Okay.
And then we're going to, and then down here I have to need one, so we're just going to do this little spot. And now that that's down, all we do is just basically take the tool and just kind of start at the top and just run it down through there. That's it.
Wow. You just run it through once. What about? Oh yeah, it doesn't make it pretty perfect, doesn't it? Oh, that was easy. Let's see that tool up close, Tommy.
The only thing you have to do, usually I keep a wet paper towel around, and so when I go to do the next one, I'll wipe it off real good because you want to keep it good and clean so that it gives a good smooth bead. So.
Oh, okay. That's a good
pretty much it.
And so, would you do something like that to the seam of the ceiling if you weren't going to put molding up there?
Yes, the same way.
Okay.
Now, and here we're going to put like a molding around the ceiling just to kind of dress it up a little bit, but we would do it the same way if we were doing the ceiling.
You would use the same tool.
Inside corner. There's also an outside corner, which is where it goes like this, and that we would use. We wouldn't use a tool for that. We would just mold that with a corner bead. So.
Very cool. Awesome tip, Tommy. Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching another episode of Tips by Tommy.